In November 2024, we had theft to the playroom. The fence and the door and the window were broken into. The first maintenance of the outdoor is the leveling of the grounds first. That occurred. And then after that, the outdoor space was divided into green spaces for the children to play, so we can put the lawn during the rain season. The footpath was surfaced with cement to join the new classroom, and another one that goes to the bathroom. There was some resurfacing as well at the front of the playroom main building, and that's to leave a space for children to play there. This is now inside the classroom or the main building. Is all nice, lovely new paint. It's clean and it's all painted all over, both rooms, the big room and the small room. As you can see now, fresh paint. Surface, and you can put toys there, you can put chairs there for the children to enjoy playing outside. And the bathroom was done, so we have bathroom for adults and bathroom for children. So the small plants that were planted all over the place, and hopefully by the time the rains come, it's all going to be sorted with the green lawn there as well. And of course, next are all the resources that we got for the children, from floor covering, toys, and all the things like for the boys and girls for them to play with. Here, the carpenter has managed to repair the window, and now he is putting back all the locks that came out when it was broken, just to make sure everything is sorted in their new classroom. And also the gate, which was broken into as well. Now you see the gate now is being sorted and it's all been repaired as well by the welder. So this is the final result. This is inside the classroom, and this is outside the classroom or in the yard, and this is the bathroom that's finished, and the lock and the main door is done. Finally, this is inside the new classroom where the children are doing some learning with their teacher. Thank you so much, Reverend Gunter, for your support, and One World Shop members. God bless you. Thank you so much.